Here are the list of 5 best Mac productivity apps.
1.
Number 1. Best for managing menu bar, Bartender 4. Here are some good points of this one. Lets you customize the menu bar. Great level of control over your display. Low cost. Here are some bad points of this one. Bartender injects code into existing apps, which can create security flaws. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Best for cleaning your Mac, CleanMyMac. Here are some good points of this one. The app cleans Mac drives in a way few other applications do. Provides transparency on what will be deleted and what won't. Here are some bad points of this one. The cost can be prohibitive. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. Best for password management, 1Password. Here are some good points of this one. More secure than using the same password on multiple accounts. One-click access to different accounts. Here are some bad points of this one. Requires a monthly subscription. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4. Best for to-do lists, Todoist. Here are some good points of this one. Powerful functionality even at the free tier. Worthwhile benefits for those that purchase the premium version. Here are some bad points of this one. Collaborative functionality could use more work. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Best for text shortcuts, TextExpander. Here are some good points of this one. Works on a variety of devices. Provides a free demo. Here are some bad points of this one. Requires a monthly subscription. You can check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel.